So yesterday I got a package from a company called SilkSence, and they sent me some magnetic lashes and also a blackhead remover mask. So if you want to see how these two products work, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my glow tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you who are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. I have received these two products from a company called SilkSence, and they did want me to do a review, so that's what I done. I put these two products to the test. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we're going to do one product at a time. So the first one I'm going to be reviewing is the magnetic 3D lashes. Now the packaging is, let me tell you, their packaging is so cute, guys. Look at this. Now they do send you 4 different pairs in this little thing. Now this looks like a diamond, or it's like diamond cut. It is just the cutest, and I will get close-ups because my lighting's not so well in here. But they do send them just like this. They are magnetized. You do not need any adhesive, no glue, no nothing with these. So let me go ahead and read you the directions and all the stuff on the box. And again, packaging is really awesome. And this is the first time I've heard of this company, SilkSence. So you know what, guys? I think they are really onto something, because I have had some trouble with some magnetic lashes in the past. These did not give me a bit of trouble. It just took seconds to put on, and I've been wearing them for 8 hours now. They are still going. I have not had to adjust them or anything else. So, how to use. Hold one piece of the magnet false eyelash over your eye. Position the lash on top of your natural lashes so that the outer edge is in line with the edge of your natural lash line. Leave the top lash where it is and pick up the bottom lash. Place the bottom lash under your natural lashes so that it meets and connects with the top lash magnet. And it does show the steps right here in pictures 1 through 4. Now, I found these to be very easy. And I did lay one just on top of the other one. And the other one, the bottom lash, I picked up and it connected like that. And like I said, I have not had to adjust them all day. So I think they are really good lashes, and I think it's a really neat idea. Now, like I said, the other magnetic lashes that I've tried, I'm not going to say what brand they were or anything, but I found them kind of hard to connect. It didn't even look like they was touching my skin on my eye, and it was kind of far up from the lash, and I couldn't get them to quite adjust to get them to fit perfect. These went on like a dream. They went on perfect, and I absolutely love these. And I mean, I think it's very handy, and it's going to save you a lot of money with all the lashes and the adhesive that you have to use on them. So you basically ruin them. You get 2 or 3 uses out of them, then you got to toss them. And I really love these lashes. These are the best magnetic lashes that I have tried yet. And I do have a clip showing you how to put them on and the way that I done it. So let's go ahead and jump into that clip. So you can see in the clip, I mean, it only took seconds and it just snapped together like that. And like I said, I've not had to adjust them or anything, and I think it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. You could get a lot more uses out of these, a lot more. Now for the next product they sent me, SilkSence Blackhead Mask, Purifying Peel-Off Mask, Deep Cleansing, Smooth Skin Texture. Oh my God, guys, I think I found a black mask that I love. I mean, this mask, there is no scent to it, and it went on so easily. They do send you this little spatula. This is to use for the mask. That way you do not get all that black stuff all over your fingers and up under your nails and everything. So I do like that they sent us a spatula with it. Now I do also have a clip of me using this and the blackheads and everything, and I think that it worked very well. Now this is not supposed to prevent acne, and it is not supposed to do anything for your acne. It is just for blackheads. And of course you do get a pretty good size of it, a good amount of product with this. This is the bottle that it comes in, and this is packed absolutely full with product. I have received products in the past where only half the tube is full. This is totally full. The Blackhead Mud Mask is only used for blackheads. Exfoliate and clean the skin. Not effective against acne. Is wash your face with warm water to open up your pores using Blackhead Educe liquid. Using Blackhead Peel Off Mask, please peel it off from chin to forehead. Using pore shrinkage oil to shrink pores. Using the hot towel to cool your skin, and then put some moisturizing essence to your face. Now I do have a clip also of me using this, and I didn't find that it jerked that much or anything else, and it didn't leave my face red like I have seen people doing reviews on these black mud masks and charcoal masks, and their faces are absolutely red after it's done. So it did not irritate or aggravate my skin, so I really love that about it. And I feel like it did do a really decent job at getting out some of the blackheads. You'll see that video clip too. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I will leave SilkSence link down below, so go check them out and check out those magnetic lashes. Those are my absolute favorite. I love them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know every time I'm uploading a video. And I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye.